Alright, October 22nd, 2024. Right back at it again. Hopefully QuickTime allows me to do this because it's been acting up all day. So I have to just sort that out, see what's going on with that. Alright, we're on a weekly time frame. That weekly candle is starting to like shift. Like it's looking like it's want to shift lower. For now, it's like getting real small, it's tightening up for the week. So I just want to document that real quick, briefly. Boom. I'm about to head to the gym in a little bit, so I'm going to make this quick as I'm already accustomed to doing this. Now we're on a daily time frame. Everything is looking nice. That this is still staying open right here. This is unfilled on this daily imbalance, which are the black lines here, all-time high up top. So now on a daily, this candle is irrelevant as this pertains to tomorrow. We're only focused on Tuesday right here. This candle right here. So what did it do? It took this high over here, but didn't take the low. So today, I'm going to mark that right there. This high, run it across. We want to adjust the size of that. Boom, make it a dashed line. Change the color to green. Boom. So that high was tagged, which was the Thursday, October 17th high. Last week's high. Working inside there. Boom. So for now, and then obviously price opened, dipped low, got near the bottom of the weekly SIBI right there, and then expanded high to take that, and then it closed right here. So let me just write some notes real quick. Daily candle took the high of, that was 10/17. Just put the date on there. Took the high. Let me make this a little bit smaller. This is too exaggerated. Let's just put it on 18. Again, TradingView acts up, so we have to like really be patient with TradingView. Okay, so it took the high. Just make sure that the date. Yep. Boom, and then so took the high, and like there really wasn't much of a body, so no large body was created today as we reach the middle of the week. So definitely tomorrow we can expect something because it's the middle of the week, so maybe we'll get some more. Like look at these stacked lows right here. So I kind of like this candle already forming here. This is I like seeing that. So boom, during the middle as today as we reach to C right here, bro. I'll tell you, trading will be too weak, bro. This shit disappears middle of the week. Boom. Price is working inside again. It's still the weekly SIBI / daily as well. Boom. Simple as that. So we really like we're being halted right here. These lows are being left in place. The only high was tagged right there. So we'll have to just go down to a lower time frame just to see what's going on. Really not too much excitement, not too much to document here. Just price is above the midpoint of the weekly SIBI. Boom. That's that. And then let me just measure this right here. So yeah, it just came up above the 50% level to a premium, took the high, turned back around. So that's pretty much it. There's not much here for me to go too crazy right now. I'll get some more information on the lower time frame. Take a picture of that right there. Boom. Let's go down to a 4 hour. We can get rid of this. clean this up. That's that. So we kind of had a similar move to like Sunday's price action. Price came down and then it took out those shorts up here. Today, same thing. So price came down and then boom, took out those shorts again. So they're just setting up a lot of liquidity and then they're running back to attack them again. So that's very interesting. This price going right inside here, that's like an order block, a bearish order block, pushing it back down. So right here, I'm going to just make a note of that. Similar price action. As the previous day. Overnight session. Session's running low. And the bell session, let's just put that, is going back to tag the shorts. Boom. So buy stops. Simple. That's all it's actually doing there. There's no reason to get too crazy right here. It's very simple. And I'm referring to this right here. So I'm going to just, for my notes purposes, is this right here. This was the Sunday's price action. And then we have it again right here on this price action. And then they ran back and took that right there, took that, and took that. Boom, working the bottom of this. Still inside the weekly civvy. So quick picture of that. Again, nothing too fancy. Price is towards the end of the month. It's looking like it's just being halted right now. Just look at that. There's like not much to speak of here. We're in consolidation right now. Just engineering lots of liquidity, creating a high, going down, then going back up and taking it. Creating more highs, going down and then back up and taking both. Look how they, like these paired areas, these relatively equal highs are just boom, destroyed. And then right now, right here, these nice 3 lows right there, those look very, very, very sweet. And then this one is there too. A lot of liquidity right now is being engineered. This is on a 1 hour. Look at this right here. I like how this looks right here. Boom, put this red on it. And this is like shit that we want to just keep an eye out for. Boom. So on this time frame is just price is being held. It's simple. It's being held. We are not sprinting at all. Like, that's it. What do I mean by sprinting? Like this. Look at this. This is a nice sprint. This is a kind of like a half sprint, and then now we're just boom, 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 waiting up. And then I just want to document if TradingView would just allow me to click right here and then just like right. Yeah, okay. A lot of sell side being created. So those lows, you know, we need to see the London session does. Real simple. We might get the same moves. Run down and then bell session. What I mean by bell session is pretty much from 7 a.m. and forward, like not even 9:30 a.m. and forward is pretty much what I mean. So we just got to see what ends up happening in the morning. Bell session Run down and bell session, goes back up and tags the high. Like Monday and Tuesday. Boom, that's it. Take a picture of that. This out of my way, bro. I'm messing up my pictures. What we got going on here? Come down. Real simple. Took those relatively equal lows right there. I'm going to keep it like that. And then price, what did price end up doing? Just pretty much tagging this and this. Those slanted highs right there. Boom. Tagged. Boom. That's it for that. And it's working this imbalance as well. This imbalance right here has been getting a lot of work all week. Boom. Hit it. And back. Boom. Boom. So we're inside this right here. Inside the weekly as well. So boom. Take a picture of that. And let's just drop down to the 15-minute. As you can see now on a 15-minute time frame. Again, price is not looking all that pretty. A lot of consolidation. So where's Tuesday's price action? Right here. Monday and then Tuesday. So here it is. Came down. 9 a.m. session. Ran higher. Did it come inside here? Yes, it did. Boom. Let's put that there. That's that. And then let's just get the little icon. I keep forgetting to do this icon. To get the 930 right here. That's the 930 opening. That way I can, pretty much determine the session. So it was a bullish little small session today. Run up, take this minor, these minor highs right here, but this minor here, come down, retest the BISI, and push price back up to take the highs, relatively equal highs. Because we can even stretch this out right there, but it's just gonna look too sloppy. And then price is obviously working this little order block off of this order block here, propulsion block. Very sensitive. Let's get that right there. Wow, order block there. Stretch it out. So price is being held. I'll keep that note there, and then I'll just write the new one. So bell open, tagged, minor sell side, ran up to take out profit holders. That went short. Session. Boom. So that's that. If the audio changed, it's because my microphone died. So, not well prepared, right? But we'll get to it. We'll correct those things as we continue along. Notice too right here how this is a breaker too. So these breakers are playing a major role right now. Low, high. So this is the last high before this low. Price pretty much came into that as well, and that. So these are all signatures of bullishness. And what time was this? 12:45, leading into the afternoon session. 2 p.m. made the high, and then it started to break down as it led into the close. So that's that. I don't really want to get too crazy there. Again, because price is not doing anything too extreme. And let's just check out a 5, just cause. We can get rid of this. Okay, we're still recording, so that means hopefully this video doesn't have any damage, because for some reason QuickTime is just acting up. So there's that breaker I was telling you about. We take this right here, right? Take the whole candle, bring it across, get rid of the BISI. And for my breakers, I like to use this color here. Boom. Look at that right there. Beautiful. Come down, midpoint, leaves this open, so that's a great sign. Pushes up That's a nice move right there. How many handles is that? Whew. Almost 160 handles. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful thing to see. Right here, obviously bell open. A lot of like wicking, not very clean price movement. So they waited until the afternoon session, and 130 pushed it higher to get the buy side. So cool. So I'll make a note of that. So afternoon session pushed up to get the buy side. Get the buy side liquidity. Boom, that's that. What time exactly? 12:40. 40 p.m. all the way at 2 p.m. Jesus. That's, yeah, man. You have to excuse that audio that is going into this video that I'm doing. So if you're still here in this part of the video, you just have to accept my apologies for that. Disrespectful. Next time, just close the door, bro. Okay? Clearly, you forgot that I just told you I'm recording. It's that sharp memory. Okay, and then 2 p.m. 2 p.m. And price shifted to the downside. Shifted to the downside. Boom, right here. Right here. This is where it rejected right here as it was closing. I was watching this in real time. This was fast. Reacted off of volume imbalance and rejected down. Boom, just take a picture of that. Go down to a 1 minute. I'm not gonna do too much here on the 1 minute as I have all of this on a separate chart. Get the inefficiency right there. It's okay, bro. Don't make it a big deal. Just do what you gotta do, man. The P session was already enough. This is history in the making. Alright. So I'll take a picture of that. Thank you. Appreciate the slam too. Hey, man. Hey. This is what comes with people who just, yeah, whatever, man. Cool. Look at the bodies respecting that midpoint. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. Let me just put an eye on that, take a picture, go to my final chart, and then we are out of here. Gym session. I don't want to go too late. I'm going to do some swimming tonight. So let this switch over to LSS. Come in here. 1 minute. Okay, so here we go. This is where all the sauce is. Volume imbalance. Ooh, there's so many lines going on in here. You can get rid of this right here. This as well. So, all I can say is that during the macro, it ran high and then it dropped. Took the sell side. Oh, so they did tag the relatively equal lows that I had my eye on. Look at that. Wow. I had my eye on that. On the tape reading session that wasn't. Relatively equal lows that I had my eyes on. First, it went up during the macro, then began to descend. So right there it ran up and then it began to descend. It's amazing, bro. Truly amazing. So you see how I just want to document this for my own purposes. So the bell opens down here, comes down, reacts off a 10 a.m. Fair value gap. BISI pushes price up right here, uses this little inversion area here to push higher, tag some minor highs from this area here. See these relatively equal highs, tag them there, and then price came down right here. This is the 950 macro, reacts off a volume imbalance right there. That's what those lines represent. There's a volume imbalance. It's amazing how it does that. Pushes price up to tag more highs. Then that's during the 950 to 1010 a.m. macro. Boom, and it leaves a little portion of the opening range gap open still. Then it starts to come down as the 1050 a.m. macro begins. This is the first fair value gap of the 21st. The first fair value gap, is this it? No, that wasn't it. Where was today? Oh, this is today's first fair value gap. Right here. This one here, which price didn't even come down to. So 1010 comes down, reacts off of this one, pushes back up off of yesterday's. Uses this as an inversion now, pushes up into this order block area here. There's a lot going on up here. And boom, once it finishes tagging, loading up, because it only tagged the minor sell side, but it reacted inside this fair value gap from the 17th. Price starts to descend lower, consolidate lower, boom, use the fair value gap, boom, boom, down to take the relatively equal lows from the volume imbalance inside this propulsion block here. That supported price and then sends it higher to tag all the engineered liquidity and the high, and then right up into this first fair value gap from the 14th of October. Then right here, afternoon session, price comes down, consolidates. This is the 250 to 310 macro right here. Takes some minor sell side into an imbalance. Then price runs back up into this imbalance here. There's a volume imbalance there. Then price just drops quickly right before the close to take out whoever was long from here to accumulate these sell stops. Simple. Okay? Alright, let me put this on a daily. I want to get this one last photo. This is boom right here. Okay, take a picture of that. Boom. Get the candles back, run it back, put it on a 1 minute. Boom. Boom. And that is that. Peace.